much I say. Chika yamba nikale.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Esther. As a mom, we get so much busy. You guys can see my hair is looking horrible. I have not been able to do my hair in weeks. My gray is graying, so I've decided to myself a little simple pony hairstyle. But before I do that, I want to dye my hair first. I'll be using this Dark and Lovely. It's naturally black. I like the color because, you know, that's what I've been using. I don't like the black color. This is natural, like it makes your hair very natural. You would think it's your own hair. This gray is giving me headache. Today I decided to just dye it, get it done. I have been so busy, guys. It's not a joke. We are dyeing the hair today.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing. But you ration yours.
So guys, I'm all done. I have to wait 20 minutes for everything to marinate, and then I'll be right back. Hi, so I'm back. I just finished the hair. I just love the way it blends with my hair color. So I'm about to do the pony because I needed something simple for the goal. So
I can't read your mind, but your love for rules that change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? You hit me up when the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get low. I ain't your maybe, tell me what it is, cause I'm way too grown to be messing with a love like this. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door.
So I got this ribbon twist hair. $7.99 pack is 1B, color 1B. That's what I'm gonna use for the pony.
Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in?
Guys, I'm all done. How do you like my hair? So guys, the hair is all done. I'm gonna wrap it, head to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that.
Hello guys, welcome back. It's morning here, and guys, this is my hair. I have on African print. Let me go back so you guys can see properly. So that's my African print. I like this hair because it is so soft and natural. It's not heavy. Just to show you guys something, an update in my kitchen. I don't like cluttering I like to be very organized. Since I did the kitchen, so I went on Amazon and I found this beautiful cabinet pantry, you know, because I don't have a pantry. So I decided to put my canister, my kitchen gadget, everything, my microwave, because I like the counter to be clear. So I found this cabinet pantry on Amazon. I want to show you guys. I have a small kitchen and I don't have pantry, so this is my little pantry right here. I have all my stuff here. I really love this pantry cabinet because it is so beautiful, and also you have LED lights, changes color. That is so cute. Yeah, so there's an update in my kitchen. It also have a charging port. You can charge your phone, whatever you want to charge. So this is it.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out.
What do you cook?
I got nothing to cook right now. I got no gas. I'm short of everything. You get what I'm saying? I just want to hear. I'm long. Là-bas, je vais send les gars. Sauce.
Alaye cashing out is sure. Just believe on G, because BTC is sure. Alaye cashing out is sure. The money must too long. You go tear the Benz, my G. And Jesus cover me. Jesus cover you. Your profile no go blank, my G. And Jesus cover me. Jesus cover you. Your profile no go blank, my G. Put call Elon Musk. Wires are me. Loader, I'm active. Jesus cover me. And might get there with me. Loader, I'm active. Come on for there, make you find grace. The little G make you cut soup for you. Come on for there, make you find grace. The little G make you cut soup for you. Celeb boy is active. Alaye cashing out is sure. Just believe on G, because BTC is sure. Celeb boy is active.